What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be why Overland Vehicle Systems has changed the game again with their Expedition caps, and I'm going to show you why. When you go online, there's lots of options when it comes to getting a cap. Overland Vehicle Systems is one of those. Lots of other brands on the market, but few of them have the rigidity, strength, and options that OVS does. This is one of their basic caps that we just took off our 3rd gen Tacoma. We are going to be reinstalling it on a customer's vehicle that we just sold it to. The reason that I'm telling you they changed the game, they just took one of the most affordable, heavy-duty Expedition caps on the market and made it better. Most people wouldn't go this route because they wanted windows, they wanted doors, they wanted multi panels, they wanted more features. So they did just that on their new version. We're going to install this one and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of the OG Expedition cap and the new version. That way you can decide which one is best for you. Let's go. So we have the two options available. This is the original Expedition cap. The new rack is the Expedition Rack Pro Plus. And the biggest difference that you're gonna see with this rack is the fact that it comes with windows and multi panels. On each of the side, you're gonna have a small sliding window on the left side that slides in and out of its way. On the inside, it's gonna have the interior protection of multi panels that actually have the ability to put some nutserts in here. So you can actually screw things onto it depending on what you're gonna be mounting here. Super, super nice. You still get the structure on the top or on the bottom to be able to mount stuff right here as well. Obviously this one is for a Gladiator, so it is slightly taller. Same latches, which are really, really strong. They're each lockable. Same issue, I know we're gonna get a bunch of questions. Can you open it from the inside? Not really. The only way that you're gonna be able to open this thing from the inside is if you close it with the latches open and then you have an individual latch on the inside to basically prevent it from people opening it. My only fear is if some woman comes by and sees these open and then goes like this, like, are they gonna lock you in there? Don't know. Anyway, that's the only downside to this is there's not much of a lot of availability for closing it and opening it from the inside. I'm gonna do a little bit of research to see if there are different styles of latches that can be adopted into these spaces so that you can open it from the inside, so stay tuned. On the back portion, the back doors are still the same. You're gonna get the handle on the outside and then the hexagonal molly portion that protects people from breaking the glass and actually getting inside your cap to steal your gear. Other than that, guys, this cap is very, very similar to the original one, just with the addition of the window and the multi panels on the inside. Okay, now price-wise, which one's right for you? This cap starts out at basically $3 grand. That's what this cap's gonna run you. 28 to $3 grand. Maybe a little bit more for the full-size trucks. Add on an additional $500 and you're gonna get yourself into the Pro Plus cap with the windows on each side and the multi panels. Which one's right for you? I don't know. This one's a little cheaper, more utilitarian, less ability for people to like break into it if you have valuable stuff inside. This, same amount of protection really. The windows are really nice to have. The biggest benefit for this one I think is gonna be if you have dogs, you're gonna be able to open a window to allow ventilation, that allow them to have air if they are in the back. $500 difference, so it's not a ton. All the same rigidity, strength, mounting ability, On this one, you can see that we added a cross member and the OVS 270 awning. Lots of accessories. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Choose between the regular Expedition and the Expedition Pro Plus. We're gonna do some close-up video of the we're gonna do some close-up video of the windows on this model so you guys can see in depth of how they're constructed, size, all that kind of stuff. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you guys wanna see more content on these two caps, let us know. Subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.